In today's episode, a Volkswagen will have a Siggy. A Chevy will glitch out. And wheel. Do you like off-roading? Do you like lawnmowers? You see where I'm going with this. Perhaps you prefer lifting a mower that's never going off-road just to flex. Then we got a mower for you too. Now that I think about it, it can still mow grass, but only super tall grass. The Volkswagen W12 is a really good engine. In fact, it's so good that mechanics love working on it. And it can do neat tricks like this one. New week and a new niche in the car culture that has been discovered. This week it is the banging trunk community. If you think about it, having a banging trunk is actually a pretty reliable solution to get rid of snow. Other than that, you can use it to just entertain car meet visitors and supporting your local trunk strut manufacturer. This guy was pushing his Porsche on the track when he got distracted by a wheel that came loose. Which led him to money shifting, aka shifting into a lower gear by accident. Stay focused, guys. Now, if humans dress up for Halloween, why can't cars do the same? This Tesla Model X is very neatly disguised to look like the DMC DeLorean time machine. It can even light up the road, like in the movie.
Eco-electric car people.
Engine ban.
Meanwhile, electric eco people.
But what on earth is this Tesla meat?
Oh my god, bro.
If you think your local car culture is cool, check out what they do in the Czech Republic after midnight. After doing a bit of research, it seems like Formula 1 cars driving on Czech highways is something that happens quite often. This man put 7 exhausts on his twin-turbo Lexus LS460. I think he's really proud of them. Comment if you think the sound is worth all of that work. This clip is just another piece of proof for why I think that Arabs are some of the craziest car owners in the world. Dennis Köhler drifts a Miata swapped with a 3UZ engine, which is the same engine I put in my own Miata as of right now. It will be done soon, don't worry. It seems like a match made in heaven, and I cannot wait to drive it. The simplest way to describe this clip is to read a comment saying, "There's a boat in your engine." And this one shows a daily commute to get groceries in Thailand. And this one is just another drag racing boat in Thailand. This clip is titled Turbo Says Goodbye. Just watch it. It's probably the saddest anime death ever. The reason for the turbo blowing up is probably because of not getting enough oil. They managed to stop the fire with snow, by the way. This is a spectacular crash at the 2023 Abu Dhabi Clio Cup. It looks similar to what Jixi did in my latest BeamNG reverse car hunt on the main channel.
The number 7 and the number 9 are under investigation, and that is Stanislav Novikov, who's flipped. And, well...
My suggestion for the worst sounding V12 engine ever is this. The Thumper GMC V12 702. Don't watch this unless you want your ears to bleed. Here's a video of a Rimac Nevera, or maybe pronounced Rimac Nevera, accelerating between a crowd of people. But my question is, what about the safety? Back in 2013, there was a crash in Poland where a Koenigsegg smashed into a crowd of people that was standing behind those types of barriers, which are practically useless against a car. 19 people were injured in Poland and luckily everybody survived. But still, why this is allowed, I don't understand. Guess this car by the sound. Okay, it was not too fair of me to say it's a car, but yeah, it's actually a Sikorsky S-58 helicopter. Fun fact, in the 70s, Winnebago Industries had the idea of turning this helicopter into basically a flying camper. The 70s were truly a wild time. This is a convoy of technologically advanced pickup trucks with highly engineered abilities to precisely operate the truck bed in multiple directions and angles, enabling it to accomplish difficult tasks. Okay, I'm just kidding, I've no idea what this is.
At this point Mighty went on vacation to Italy, so I had to improvise with the audio. This clip from Poland shows why you should always listen to your co-driver if you don't want to break the car.
Nacisk do 1 plus nie ciąć 40.
The following is Mighty's AI-generated thoughts.
In my humble opinion, JDM cars are overrated in terms of drifting. European cars like the BMW 3 Series are the best, but the coolest ones are American. At least to me and my European brain. Here is a C4 Corvette, sliding in under a trailer, doing a little gymkhana, and sliding out under a trailer.
This is why you shouldn't be speeding, especially over hills.
At first, you might blame the car, but when you reverse the video, you can see that it was starting to turn when the biker was super far away. Car driver might not have noticed the biker, as he could have been covered by the hill, and if he did see him, he must have assumed that he was going beyond the speed limit, and it would take him more time to reach his point. Either way, message to all bikers, be careful out there. That's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.
That doesn't make sense.